over. I can't sleep.
Stop snoring or you're sleeping on the couch.
Does this sound familiar? Snoring can be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea, which, if left untreated, can lead to serious health issues such as heart attacks, diabetes, weight gain, even death. If you or someone you know snores, experiences daytime sleepiness, has difficulty concentrating, or struggles with CPAP, visit sleepwellallentown.com for a free consultation about a comfortable solution. Get the rest you deserve. Visit sleepwellallentown.com today.